guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Popcraftz. So, today I'm going to show you what's inside my cute pencil case. So, let's start with its outer figure. So, as you can see, this is a red kit with a cute red pom-pom doll keychain. As you can see, there is a cycle, Eiffel Tower, heart and etc. there. Now today I'm going to show you what's inside it. So uh, before starting the video, I would like to say that make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel for more new videos like this, and also tell me your favorite dish in the comment section. So my favorite dish is Shahi Paneer with naan. So, what is your favorite dish? Tell me in the comments. And whosoever dish will I like, so I will pin that comment. So let's start. So guys, you can see that there is a cute laptop diary inside this. Let me open it. So you can see that there are cute pages inside this. And it also contains a pen. Let me show you. Yes, this is its pen. I forgot to keep it. So this is its pens, and it is very cute. I got it only on ₹70 from a nearby stationery shop. So you can see this is very cute. This is Doraemon theme. I want to take unicorn theme, but I could not find it. So that's why I take Doraemon diary. So next is a cute homemade squishy. Whenever I get bored and I have nothing to do in the school, so I use this to relieve my stress during the schools. Next is a cute unicorn fur pen. As you are my daily viewer, so you also know that I have uploaded the video of unboxing unicorn pens. So go and see that video fast. I will also share the link in the comment section. It contains many ink. Then the next is a cute mini homemade diary. I have also made many more diaries like that. Yes, not like same. It contains many other themes. But if you want to see my cute mini diary collection, so you can tell me in the comments box. Now it's time for the stationery. Now I have a lead pencil, or we can also say it mechanical pencil. It doesn't have lead. I should put it. So the next is which one should I show? और क्या दिखाऊं? Yes, finally I got this bead pencil. So it can also be broken down easily and can be fixed also. This is a bead pencil. You can also play with it, and you can also write with it. And it also contains a cap. Then the next is one more mechanical lead pencil. one and two. I should not create a mess like that, so I separately put it. Now the next one is this purple. Hey Sarange, but its eraser is used. But its eraser is used. No worries. It has lead. Then the next one is a cute Hello Kitty pencil. Look at the Hello Kitty, it's so cute. Then the next is my cute mini pink colored homemade pencil. This is not homemade, but I have colored this using nail polish. Then the next is a scale. Then the next is a cute pink sharpener. Then the next is a cute pink washi tape. This is glitter theme and it's so cute. I love pink, purple and golden color. Then the next one is this Natraj. Where is it? Its label. But it's Natraj pencil, that is a common basic pencil used for the handwriting. Then the next is one more mechanical lead pencil. That is of which company? It is written, yes, Hauser Checkers. I have all the lead pencils of 0.7. This is of Cello company. These 3 lead pencils are of Cello company. Cello. And this only one is of Hauser Checkers. Now then, there is one box of Cello leads and it is also suitable for this. And then there is a eraser, that is 2-in-1 Apsara eraser. And then there is a cute mini lead. So this is my stationery that is inside my pencil kit. So what do you like from this? You can also tell me in the comment section. Bye bye guys.